Social networking is all the rage, of course, and people often ask us two questions. A, will there be a Facebook social networking app for the iPad? And two, can it make money? Our guest answers both questions in the affirmative. He is Cyril Moutran, CEO of Away. You've got an app called Friendly for Facebook. It's on the iPad, and you're actually charging and making money for it. Tell me the idea behind so many people wanting free apps, and you're actually charging and doing well.
Yeah, so basically we started up, in line to get our iPad, and we were waiting, like everybody else, we were waiting for a Facebook app, a free app, but we were missing this app, like trying to use the website is so difficult. We decided, okay, let's not wait. We're a small company, let's build an app. But because we're a small company, we said, well, we want to be able to see if people can buy it, because if we can't buy it, we won't be able to keep doing it. And so we launched the app last June, and we charge $5. And $5 for us seems a lot for an app, but it's only less than 2 cups of Starbucks. And we were really pretty surprised. We were basically the top-selling app for a long time on 2010, and Friendly is doing really well.
Tell me about Friendly for Facebook. People are used to social networking online. How is this a little different?
So Friendly is really it's an application optimized for the iPad. So it's we're trying to be the best Facebook experience on the iPad. What we do is basically, if you think about iPad, it's a touch interface. So where the website is designed for a mouse, which is very little, the finger is about 44 pixels. And so you need enough of like the button needs to be big enough. You cannot, if you have something that needs to scroll, you need to be able to scroll with one finger, not 2 fingers. And also the website doesn't support Flash. So if you want to upload the photos, you want an app. You want an app to be able to basically select your photo from your iPad and basically upload it to Facebook.
Do you hear from a lot of people who maybe do Facebook on their, say, mobile phone, and how much they like it better on a 10-inch screen? Yes,
actually, because a lot of what users have otherwise, if they don't use the website, they use the little iPhone as well app.
Right.
And the iPhone app is great on the iPhone. When you put it on the iPad, it's limited, and it's like the pixels are really big. You don't see you want to see the photos of your friends in a real resolution, not with big pixels. And then there's so much more opportunity when you have a big screen. So,
well, let me ask you one question. You're in that social networking world. People are willing to pay for the app. Do you think that the LinkedIns and Facebook are going to do well eventually on the public market? Will investors be willing to jump in?
Yeah, I think that's very encouraging. We were basically, before we were doing a Twitter client, and the Twitter client, there's a lot of freebies. It's hard to know if people are really willing to pay for Twitter. And so when we try Facebook, people are very attached to Facebook because it's the way they communicate with their friends and families. Mm-hmm. I think LinkedIn will do very well as well because it's a business need. Like be able to keep in touch with the people you work with in a marketplace where you keep changing jobs. It's a very important function. And when you think of it, $1, $2, $3, $4 for this, very easy. But I think the opportunity for these companies are even so much bigger. Like with Friendly, we started as a paid applications, but we also realized people use the app. They use the app a lot, and so we wanted to also give a way for people to experience the app without paying initially, and that has a lot of so we have a version of Friendly that has a little advertisement on the bottom, and it's a great way for people to get people in. And even people who are actually getting the free application after a month of using it, because they're using it every day, 2 or 3 times a day, they end up basically buying it, or they end up,
All right, thank you. Friendly for Facebook is the app. Cyril, thanks so much. We'll take a break. Tech Now. We'll be right back.